What's up, my people? It's your boy Emmanuel, the King of Africa, the King of the Emirates. Hope you guys are doing good. Your finalists from BBN Season 6. Hope you guys are doing good. So I got a lot of comments of how I did well in the house or how I did bad in the house, but I want to go through some of the comments that you guys shared. I hope you guys not too drag me, and that's the B now. But no one, we do alright. It's Crystal Bella says, why is it so cute? Oh, thank you so much. Now God though, we thank God for life. We do alright. Paul Ako, Mr. Africa, where can we learn that your work? Well, it started off as, well, practice. Practice makes perfect, actually. Well, you can do it together once in a while if you want. EduJ001 says, do you feel, or is asking, do you feel EmmaRose will last after the show? You find out. Sokostina says, do you really love Rose or were you just catching cruise? I wasn't catching cruise. It's real. Trust me, it's real from both ends. Okay, so the next one says, this from Juliet Juizy. You're indeed hardworking and intelligent. Oh my God, thank you so much, Juliet. Stay focused as I wish you the best. Thank you so much, Juliet. I really appreciate it. It's amazing. Favi Dera. Favi Dera is asking, why are you always flexing your muscles? It's cute though. Why am I flexing it? I guess I'm just easing stress. Well, the tension was too much at some point, so yeah, I had to ease stress. Well, it's cute though. Thank you so much, Favi. So the essay in Nahulu is saying, just help us tell him we love him. Oh my God, thank you. I love you too. We love him so much and he made us proud. Wow, I didn't see this coming. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Oh my God, the love and the support is just too much. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. I could go on and on. I mean, the support is mad. I love you guys so much. The King of Africa, the King of the Emirates, signing out. I hope to see you guys and give you guys more moments and more, interesting times about me. Thank you so much, guys. Signing out. Peace.